Hi everyone, before moving forward hit the subscribe button. So let me tell you guys 3 best ways to make rice water. Basic fermented rice water, best for brightening. How to make: rinse half a cup white rice to remove impurities. Soak in 2 cups filtered water for 30 minutes, then stir vigorously. Strain and ferment the water for 12 to 24 hours, room temp, to boost antioxidants. Store in a spray bottle in the fridge for up to 1 week. Now let me tell you guys the skin benefits of this rice water. This helps to reduces hyperpigmentation and brightens dull skin. Use: apply with cotton pad as a toner or facial mist. 2. Boiled rice water for sensitive skin. How to make: boil half a cup rice in 3 cups water until cloudy, 15 to 20 minutes. Cool, strain, and refrigerate. Skin benefits: heavy checkmark soothes redness/eczema. Heavy checkmark gentle enough for rosacea-prone skin. Use: apply as a 5-minute compress or mix into clay masks. 3. Rice water plus green tea, acne-fighting toner. How to make: 1. Mix half a cup fermented rice water with half a cup brewed green tea, cooled. 2. Add 1 teaspoon glycerin, optional for hydration. Skin benefits: heavy checkmark fights acne, green tea's EGCG plus rice water's amino acids. Heavy checkmark shrinks pores. Use: shake well and apply AM/PM after cleansing. Hope you guys will use this recipe and please let me know about the results.